Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, FIERS FEMME, and today I am 7 months locked. Yes, and I'm feeling it, okay, because my hair has grown tremendously. I don't know if you guys have seen my video where my 6-month visual lock video. I will put the card right above and you could go ahead and check it out directly after, and I'll also put the link in the description box below. I know I'm bad with that, guys. I'm working on it. But I will have the card in this, seeing as it's pertaining to this video. But anyway, yes, I made it to 7 months. I started my lock journey on April 9th, 2020. Just was sleeping one night and it came to me like, it's time to start your journey. And I was going through a lot mentally. I've been going through a lot mentally, and I would say in the physical world, my mental was affecting my physical well-being. And although I don't look like it a lot of times, I really do take a lot of stuff on. And I feel like I'm one of those people that just picks up energy or empath or something like that. So the things I used to do prior when I was younger, I can no longer do them because I have to have the right people around me, basically. And then I've been going through a lot of other changes in my life that's like big monumental changes. And I don't know. It was right before my birthday. My birthday is April 17th. And one night I was asleep and I literally woke all the way up and was like, okay, I'm locking my hair tomorrow. And I started like looking up videos on YouTube and getting inspired. And so locking my hair is connected to like a spiritual side of myself and trying to just heal myself. So as my hair is growing, as my hair is changing, I'm changing. I feel like I'm in my third life. I feel like I had a life up to when I was 10, and then I had another big moment when I was around 25, and now I'm going into like my late 30s. And yeah, I'm a totally different person. And I was always this person, but I feel like I'm just coming back to her, like I'm healing my baby Shamika from certain things. Yeah, so that night I woke up, I said I'm gonna do my locks, started looking up, how I want to do it. I started my boyfriend's locks with comb coils before, so it wasn't something that was like unnerving to me. And I've also started a few of my friends and my cousin, one of my cousin's locks. So it was something I always wanted to do, but I thought I was gonna wait until I was about like 50 or so. But then that night I was like, oh, my hair will be probably like super long when I'm 50 and stuff like that. And even though it wasn't about my hair, it was just like, I don't give a damn. I'm stuck in the house. People keep saying, oh, there's an ugly phase. I didn't see my boyfriend go through an ugly phase. I've been doing his hair up till this moment. His hair is really long on the top. His sides are shaved. And now we're working on getting his hair to be a full head of locks. So he's growing out his sides. But this is not about him. But I'm just saying that, I'm familiar with locks. So with my hair, though, I knew I wanted to wet it every day. So I spoke to my mom and told her I wanted to start my locks. And she asked me if I was serious. And I was like, yeah, because I just don't want to be bothered with braiding my hair or having to put on a wig. Or when I put on a wig, it's like bothering me because I'm feeling the adhesive. Like I cannot sleep with a wig for nothing. So it was time for me to change it up. And she was like, okay. So she double strand twist my hair. I had 87 locks the last time I counted, but I believe it's 86 now because I combined 2 in the front just recently, I think 2 days ago, with a crochet needle. If you want me to show you how to do that, definitely leave a comment in the description below and I'll see if I can do something for you guys like on a mannequin and show how to blend locks with the crochet needle. But anyways, let's see, what else have I been doing? Yeah, so the first month was really, really fun for me. Like I had hair, I have the visual. If you want to see my visual 6-month lock visual video, The card will be above, and I'll leave it in the description box below. But yeah, my hair was pretty short. It was like up to here when she finished twisting it, like literally right here. And I loved it. You know what I'm saying? If you know me, or if you follow me on Instagram, guys. I'll leave the link right here. But you will see that I always had long braids. I'm talking about past my butt. I always had some type of hairstyle. Like, my hair was never out, period. Like, I like my texture in my house, but when I was going outside, you was not catching me with my hair outside. That's just the way that's just the way I did things. I don't know why. I just never felt comfortable wearing my natural hair in its natural state. I did have a relaxer at one point, but it didn't make any sense. So I think I stopped relaxing my hair. Could be 15 years now, but I just never wore my hair out. I had my wigs, like I said, I had weaves sewn in. I did braids from the time I was about younger than 5. And if you also want to see how long I've been wearing braids, I also have it here. Link it in the card right here, and I also put it in the description box. So yeah, doing locks is a big deal. And then when I did my faux locks, I realized, dang, I really like how this look on me. Like, I think I would really want to have locks like one day, but I didn't know it was gonna be this soon. But yeah, I love them. I recommend getting locks to anybody who just does not want to be bothered with their hair, having to brush it and doing stuff like that. I'm not saying you gotta not do anything to your hair with locks, because you still have to do things to your hair, but you don't have to be in it 24/7. You don't have to worry about curl lines, don't have to worry about no shampoo, condition, all that stuff. Okay, all that extra stuff you buy. I mean, of course you need shampoo, but you don't need all that those extra products that you do need. And the things I noticed in my 7th month is that, you know, my hair's been budding since the 4th month, I think, and it's still budding. My mom just did my fresh retwist, that's why it looks so light. But I love how big, like, see how big this one is getting, and they swell up after they've my retwist been in for a while. All of this is gonna go up into the lock, guys. You see like how the lock right here, so up here is locked, right here is locking, right here is stiff, and then right here is spongy because it's gonna go up into the lock. And yeah, I'm really in love. What else did I notice about my locks in the 7th month? They're very much visibly longer. They're going through the teenage phase, which is why I have them up in a ponytail right now, because they go in any direction they want to go in, which doesn't bother me. I never had an awkward phase in my locks that I didn't like. And if I woke up in the morning, just like if I had, like, I don't know, a weave or braids or anything and my hair was annoying me, I just put a scarf on. And if you haven't seen my video about my scarves, check that out too. That will be in my lock journey playlist. Yes, I love scarves. I wore scarves when I had braids. I wore scarves when my hair was out and I shampooed it and had to go up the street. I wore scarves all the time, so it's not a different thing for me to just be wearing scarves. But I decided to show you guys how I do wear my scarves, and I'll be making some more videos because I have a lot of scarf ideas. But yeah, 7 months with my hair, I love it. I'm trying to keep this video short. Let's see, I use rose water, alkaline water, frankincense, and sweet orange on my hair in a spray bottle. And I only wash my hair with Dr. Bronner's or my Tea Tree Tangle shampoo from Joe. Is that Joe? Dang, I can't remember where I get it from. But I'm going to do a separate video with all my products. I don't use anything to retwist my hair. I just basically use oil and water. I don't want no product buildup. The only time I put product in my hair is like if I'm doing my baby hairs. And that's random. I only really do it for the video and if I'm going out with my boyfriend. Other than that, they doing what they do. You know what I'm saying? Especially if my hair's down, I'm not wasting gel to put baby hair for what. So, yeah, I don't do anything to my hair. Literally nothing. I get up in the morning, brush my teeth, wash my face, taking your shower, take your shower and wet your hair down. If you're not right away and you're going to eat breakfast like me, I spray my hair like this. Smells amazing. Gives life to my hair. I can shake it, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that's all. I don't gotta do shit to my hair. It's literally just water and oil. And coming from what I have to be going through, this is a breeze. Okay. We have a little visitor today, but don't mind her. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the back. I have a little eczema rash, so don't come for me. I've been suffering with that since I was a kid, and I'm getting rid of it. Okay, so this is the back right here. Not sure how that looks. I'm playing it a lot, but yep, that's the back. And I pulled the front up. You can see from this one, it's getting really long. Of course, this is still kind of stretchy, but eventually it won't be able to stretch. I am going to grow my locks as long as they grow. Like, I'm not going to ever cut them or want to have my hair back out or anything like that. Like, I'm totally committed, and I feel like they're helping me become a stronger person. They are helping me become a stronger person, and they're helping me face a lot of fears. I've dealt with anxiety, a little, I don't want to say a little bit of depression, but what's a little bit of depression? I've had depressive moments, a lot of depression moments, and I've gone through a lot. And ever since I've committed to healing myself and becoming a better person, and just trying to be better for me so I could be better for others, so that I could be around others, which I know a lot of people think I'm standoffish. I'm just really an introvert. And I realized that during quarantine, like, I didn't have a problem being home. Like, I never have a problem being home because I don't know, I'm always thinking about people's intentions and stuff like that. And so locking my hair has definitely helped me. I don't know, I feel different. I feel so different than when I first started my lock journey. Like, before I started my lock journey, like, I feel I have not dealt with, you know, I get anxious sometimes, but it's not as bad as prior, you know, before. And I feel so much stronger. I don't even know how to explain it, but I feel so much stronger. I feel like I have people with me, behind me, my angels, my guides, whoever it is, my God. I'm grateful because I'm committed, and my hair is not just about style for me, even though it is fun and cute sometimes. It is definitely about becoming a way better person, eating way better. I mean, I'm already a vegetarian, but I just want to move into that whole vegan lifestyle and everything, and just get the house of my dreams and the things I want in my life. So my hair is attached to all of that, and I'm definitely going to keep these coming. And if you know anybody that would be interested in my video, let them know. And I just want to thank you for watching this video. I hope I said everything I should say dealing with my locks. Yeah, this is 7 months. Nothing really changed from 6 months like that, except they got long. To me, they look longer. But I really don't get caught up on length, because one day they could look like this and the other day they can shrink. And all I say is, if you're in the 3rd month, if you're in the 2nd month, if you're in the 1st month, hell, if you hire me, you know what difficulties come along with just life, and not just, you know, your hair and stuff. But I'm grateful for getting to this point. I'm grateful for still being alive. And yeah, I love my hair. There's nothing else to say. And if you're still on your journey, keep going. Leave me a comment. Bless your girl with a like. And yeah, later. Trying to keep this under 15 minutes. So have a great day. Later.